Lecture on yoga asanas today. Health is wealth. Health is indeed a covetable possession. Good health is a valuable asset for one and all. It can be achieved with the regular practice of yoga asanas. The practice of asanas controls the emotions, produces mental peace, distributes prana evenly throughout the body and different systems, helps in maintaining healthy functioning of the internal organs, gives internal massage to the various abdominal organs. Physical exercises draw the prana energy out, but the asanas send the prana in. The practice of asanas cures many diseases and awakens Kundalini Shakti. These are the chief advantages the yogic system of exercises which no other systems have. Practice a few asanas daily at least for a period of 15 minutes. You will possess wonderful health. Be regular in your practice. Regularity is of paramount importance. Practice bhajan, salab, dhanur, sarvang, hal and paschimutasanas. Bhajan, salab and dhanur asanas will remove constipation and muscular pain of the back. Srish, sarvang and hal will help you in maintaining brahmacharya, rendering the spine elastic and curing all diseases. Paschimottanasana will reduce fat in the body belly and help digestion. Relax all muscles in Sevasana in the end. Asana should be done on empty stomach in the morning or at least 3 hours after food. Morning time is best for doing asanas. Do not